KRAKEN Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16. Here he comes, KRAKEN. Wow, totally incredible design for KRAKEN. Been waiting to get this one just because it looks so good as a die-cast Monster Jam truck here, even though it's an independent truck. I mean, take a look at this body. I like the gold wheels, and then it has a gray chassis, and also everything else underneath is all gray. It's two sides of gray underneath. Hopefully you can see that. But just in case, let's start off with the wheelie bar. You can do wheelies in the front and in the back. But KRAKEN, kind of like a big octopus design here going on. Check out those eyes. They got it really looking good. There's a Monster Jam logo. Even underneath, like the suction cups of the octopus is kind of on there as well. It is actually, yeah, you can actually feel those like suction cups of the octopus. And we're coming around to the front. There we go. Of the front, you get some graphics of the lights, and then Star Creations. Then check it out on top with the octopus and all the design that is going on up top. Just a whole like almost 3D design. Of course, they had to make a new die-cast body for this truck. So let's go and turn it in the back. Of course, the wheelie bar kind of takes up the back, but it is still nice. There we go. So KRAKEN. So hopefully you'll be able to get this. Maybe you already have. This ends the review of KRAKEN. Stay tuned if you want to see the other trucks that are in this series and the poster. The other trucks in this series include Son of a Digger in Legacy Trucks, Grave Digger, Arena Favorites, Monster Mutt, Rough Crowd, Zombie, Elemental Trucks, Soldier Fortune, Legacy Trucks, Grey Clips, Mohawk Warrior, Boneyard Trucks, Shaker, Arena Favorites, Grave Digger, and Showtime. KRAKEN is in Arena Favorites. Here is the poster in Series 16 of Soldier Fortune in action.